Welcome to another video. So I'm going to do a paper on foods. We have 2 units, unit 1 and 2, before I start the paper. So let me open the syllabus guide. So I'm going to do unit 2, paper 1, that's multiple choice. So in unit 1, let me give you this brief first. In unit 1, you have 3 main topics that it is focused on. So it's focused on principle of nutrition and health, food selection and meal planning, food preparation service. So they have principle and methods. And in unit 1, the big project is where we do a research paper. All right, for unit 2 now is where we focus on product development. So the 3 main models will be Caribbean foodways or food system. We have food science and technology, food preparation, service and management. So the questions that I'm going to do for unit 2, paper 1, will be focusing on only these 3 models. So any topics that related under these models, then that is what the paper will be focused on. So don't be confused. All right. So let's go to the questions paper. Let me close that one and open this one. So these are random papers from different here. So let's go. So first, it consists of 45 questions. So in CSEC, you normally have 60 multiple choice. In CAPE, you have 45. So let's go to the questions. Right? So let's go. So our first question, let me go. Right. So our first question say, fry the saltfish and bake are rich in what? What nutrients? So the answer will be A. So let me highlight that. Use red. Okay. Next question. Refer to items 2. So you have some options. So they say the menu below. So we have pepper pot soup, fried fish cake, macaroni and cheese, steamed callaloo, chocolate mousse, right? So the question, let me go down on the page. The question say, which menu should be modified to make a real meal suitable for an elderly person? So an elderly person will get, so the answer will be A. So we'll get pepper pot, and you will also get fried fish cake. All right, number 3. Maybe I'm moving too slow. All right, let's go fast. All right, number 3 question say, Martha loves Jamaican's ackee and codfish. She recently discovered that she has hypertension, right? There's pressure. Which of the following food item can be used instead of codfish? And we know codfish is salt fish, right? Which food can we use instead? Bacon, chicken, sausage, and mackerel. So we'll go with chicken, right? There we go. Next question, question number 4. Glucose is stored in the liver as what? So if you're CAPE student, so I know that most likely you will do CSEC, and CSEC will know about the types of sugar with monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. So we already know that. So glucose will fall under where? All right, so it's glycogen. So that's the answer. So most of the knowledge that you gain in CSEC, you bring it over to product development, yeah? Number 5, the nutrients facts panel of a food label show the quality per serving of which mineral. So which mineral you'll have on their nutrient facts. So you have sodium, and you know sodium is salt intake, yeah? All right, so that's the answer. Let's go down. Number 6. Daily calories on food labels are based on what? So the daily calories will be 2,000 kilocalorie per diet. Let's go to number 7. Which of the following is not a function of, all right, psychochemical. So the answer will be prevent onset of blood clot. Sorry. All right, number 8. I was distracted. Sorry, number 8. During the process of food punch, some vitamin C is lost. Which of the following should be used to increase this nutrient? So we are to do enrichment. And then number 9, the chemical change occur when meat is hung is what? What is the chemical change? So we have some options here. Improve the tenderness of the meat. That is true. Make some cuts of meat tougher due to the rigamitis. No. Number 3, gradually convert muscle, yeah. Lower the amount of cooking time. So the answer, so any answer that don't have 2 in it, that will be the answer. Right, so the answer will be C right here. So you know when you're killing the meat and stuff like that. All right, let's go to number 10. Let me go down quickly. Which of the following techniques are used for slowing down food decay? So we have some options here: removal of moisture of hair, reduction of temperature and cooking time. All right. So our answer will be A, 1 and C. Oh, the answer was already highlighted. Oh my God, I didn't see. All right, so A and C, 1 and 3, sorry. All right, so let's go. Which of the factor, one factor which affect the quality of preparation and service of food in a food establishment is what? Quality of the recipe, variety of recipe, availability of several choices of the menu, skills of employment, that's important, and good location. Oh, so this would be another factor. The skills of the employee is very important. All right, number 12, which of the following practices is useful when preparing and serving cooked vegetable for a large group of people? Frying, batch. All right, so batch will be the answer here. Okay, let's go no further. Sorry. So I need to highlight that, right? Batch, put it in red. Okay. Let's go down to number 13. Which your food and nutrition class is given a task of preparing chicken salad for a school sale. Which of the fastest procedure would follow the ASAP system? And we can do a whole lesson on ASAP. Okay, that can be a course by itself, right? So the answer will be thaw chicken in the bottom of the refrigerator, chill at 41 degree, assemble. This would be the answer. Right. That whole question is an entire unit by itself. All right, so let's go. Contamination may arise if food is stored in the refrigerator. So in the refrigerator, raw food placed on the shelf where cooked food is wrapped tight. So that would be the answer. Number 15, Jane is suffering from iron deficiency anemia. Which of the following group of food should she eat often? So iron, anemia. So she should eat. So iron, we have chocolate in iron, milk, chicken. Right. So this would be the answer. No, chocolate of iron. So this would be the answer. Beef, callaloo, sardine, and orange. Let's read the question again. Suffer from iron deficiency. Yes, C will be the answer. Okay. All right, let's go to number 16. Which of the following is not a step in selection and preparation stage for food processing? So eating. And that should be the answer. All right, number 17. Let's go down so we can see properly. Which of the following processes is not a technique for improving nutrients in food? Fortification. All right, number 18. Which of the following nutrients are used during fortification and enrichment? Vitamins, and mineral. All right, let's go with that one. Number 19. Let's go down. Which of the following is not used for calculating the cost of a product? Cost per yield, price per quantity, percentage markup, list of ingredients. So that will be cost per yield. Yeah, so that will be the answer. Let me highlight that. Number 20, let's go down so we can see. Which of the following is not an anti-microbial addictive, sorry, additive. All right, sulfate. Let's highlight that. All right, which of the following food best package using vacuum packaging? So vacuum packaging. So fruit juice. All right, so we know the vacuum packaging is when you take out all the air pack. Like you have these thick plastic, for instance, and it suck out the air because you don't want the hair to be. So this would be coffee. Coffee will be the answer, ground coffee. Right. 22. A pastry chef needs to price a baked goods. Which of the following could be used to determine the selling price? Cost of ingredients, overhead, total number of goods baked. Cost of ingredients, overhead, profit plus profit. Cost of ingredients. All right, so the answer will be A. All right, next, 23. Rancidity or deterioration of fat can occur as a result of what? Uh, no, oxidation. Oxidation is one. So it have to be C or ARC. All right, so oxidation and hydrolysis. Number 24. All right, which of the following temperature ranges represent danger zone? Oh, this one is easy. So the danger zone will be from 41 degree to 135. That's the danger zone. Let's go down. Which sequence best illustrate the steps of food system? And in food system, this is easy because even in year 9, we talk about harvesting and food provenance. So this will be, what is the first step we do? We do growing. So growing have to be the first one. So we grow the food crop, and then we harvest. After harvest, then we process, and then we retail. So you grow, then you do harvesting, you do the processing, that packaging and everything, and then of course you go for sale. So this one is not that bad to think about. All right, number 26, let's go down to see. 26, a variety of factors have impact and also food security. The factor that impact the most is what? So the factor is the economic status, disaster, agricultural practices, and transportation. So the answer will be A, economic status. All right, let's go on to number 27. Mackerel rundown, Jamaican mackerel rundown, yeah? Is Jamaican. So oil is for where? Grenada. All right, let's go. Next question. Um, let's go quickly. During processing of some foods, nutrients are lost and may be replaced. The replacement is called what? Fortification. So don't mix up fortification and enrichment, right? Which of the following is used for emulsifier in mayonnaise? So this would be the emulsifier. What will be the answer? Talking about the mayonnaise and the oil, yeah? All right. 30. Which of the following is a good personal hygiene practice? Oh, empty garbage bin daily. Wear colorful, clean, protective gloves, no? Keep fingernails short and clean. Yeah. Yeah, that's the answer. Number 31. Which of the following is least likely to influence eating pattern and food choices of adolescent? Advertising, nutritional information. Because they don't, when they look at the package, really, they don't think about the nutrients. They just say, I like this food item, and that's it. All right. 32. We are 32. Okay. Which of the following consists of large limestone brick and a smaller handheld brick? So this would be A. A will be the option here. A will be the option here. 33. A food system is best described as what? Look at the options. Processes and infrastructure of feeding the population. All right, 34. Let's go down that we can see. Which of the following strategy are used to ensure availability of food after disaster? And they gave us some options. Selection of shelter where persons can get assistance. Stockpiling of dry food. Yeah, we have to have dry food. Variety of meat. No, meat is out because if you have a disaster, there's no way we can cook. So the answer have to be 1 and 2. So let's go with that one. All right, 35. Which of the following term is not associated with food security? Food rational. This one is easy. Oh, it's easy for me. I'm sorry. Food rational. All right, next question, 36. We're almost there because only 45 questions. Which of the following is not culturally accepted dish in the Caribbean cuisine? Sushi. Oh, sushi is definitely not for Caribbean. All right. Which of the following factors are influence food choices and pattern in the Caribbean? So let's go with all of them. All of the choices. All right, let's go to 38. Almost there. Which of the following best describe food security? I think I have the question before. But anyway, when people at all times have physical and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritional food. So we go with that one. All right. So 39. Which of the following dietary practices was passed on to the Caribbean by the British? Pudding and sauce. Yeah, that's the answer. All right, number 40. Which of the following statement is not a traditional myth? I mean, no myth is what, yeah? First, say It's not true. Carrot are rich in vitamin A. Oh my God. Anyway, that is debatable. All right, which of the following cooking method are inherited from East Caribbean? No, East Indian. All right, so our answer here will be B. All right, 42, going quickly, which are the following? Let me go up my page. Sorry about that. Which are the following agency is best suitable to determine that an import milk should be sold? So Bureau of Standard will be this one. All right, next 43, which are the following replace the whizzer stick in the modern kitchen? So that will be wooden spoon. All right, next 44, in which of the following temperature range will have, all right, let me go again. In which of the following temperature range is the multiplication of pathogenic bacteria most likely? And the pathogenic material is from 10 to 65. Okay. All right, let's go to the last question now, 45. Which of the following does not influence accessibility of food? And that will be nutrition education. All right, so I actually hope you learned something. So I'm gonna do the video next on paper 2 for unit 2, and then I move to paper 1 in unit 1. Hope you learned something today, and I hope this video actually help you as a guide. And most of these questions normally repeat. It's a repeat, like 10 of them always repeat. That's a must. So when we go to different past paper, you realize that's the pattern. All right. Hope you learned something today.